Hello, this is Jeremy from 3D Infotech with another quick tip. I have this project with a couple cylinders defined and some comparison points, and everything is being measured in millimeters. But my customer recently requested me to switch over to inches. If I move to the status bar in the bottom right corner, you'll see I'm currently in millimeters, and there's a drop down where I can switch from millimeters to inches. And now you see all the values are converted. When I open my report, you'll notice how my report is now displayed in inches. And to show that it's a live update, I'll switch back to millimeters. And as you can see, switching between units in PolyWorks is really simple through the status bar. Thank you for watching.